Welcome to this exploration of Viktor Frankl, Man's Search for Meaning, a profound work that delves into the depths of human suffering and the quest for purpose. Frankl, a psychologist who survived the horror of Nazi concentration camps, used his harrowing experience to develop logotherapy, a groundbreaking approach to finding meaning in life, even in the most unimaginable circumstances. Imagine facing a situation where every shred of dignity and hope is stripped away. Frank did not only endure, but also discover a powerful truth about human spirit. Let's dive into the wisdom he offers. Many of us struggle with a sense of emptiness or lack of direction in our lives. We go through the motion, feeling disconnected from a deeper purpose. This feeling can be intensified by life challenges like losing a job, facing a personal crisis, or even just navigating the complexity of modern life. The root of this problem often lies in our ability to find meaning in our experiences, especially during tough times. When we can't make sense of our suffering, it can feel overwhelming and leave us feeling lost. Man's search for meaning offer a powerful solution. To live is to suffer. To survive is to find meaning in the suffering. Frank logotherapy guides us to discover a purpose that can drive us forward, even in our darkest moments. This lecture will walk you through a step-by-step blueprint inspired by Frank's teaching to help you find meaning in your life and turn challenges into opportunities for growth. The first step in Frank Blueprint is to acknowledge your suffering. Understand that pain and hardship are an inevitable, inevitable part of life. Instead of avoiding or suppressing this feeling, face them head on. For example, if you recently experienced a significant loss, allow yourself to grieve and recognize the impact it has on you. This step is crucial in building a foundation for finding meaning. Next, identify your why. Frank believed that he who has a why to live can be almost anyhow. Reflect on what truly matters to you, whether it's family, personal passion, or a lecture cause. For instance, if you're facing a career setback, think about how your work aligns with your core values and what you can learn from the experience to better serve those values in the future. The third step is to shift your perspective. Frank teaches us that even in the most dire situation, we have the freedom to choose our attitudes. By reframing your thoughts, you can transform obstacles into opportunities. For example, instead of viewing a failure as a reflection of your worth, seeing it as a stepping stone toward personal growth and resilience. Finally, take meaningful action. It's not enough to find your purpose. You must actively pursue it. Set small, achievable goals that align with your why. For example, if you realize that helping others give your life meaning, look for volunteer opportunities or ways to support those around you. Every step you take towards your purpose reinforce your religion and sense of meaning. In summary, man's search for meaning teach us that life challenges are not just obstacles, but opportunities to find deeper meaning. By acknowledging your suffering, identifying your why, shifting your perspective, and taking meaningful action, you can transform your life. I encourage you to reflect on your own experience and begin applying this step today. Remember, the path to meaning is one you must walk, but you don't have to walk it alone. Let friends with them guide you on this journey.